What's up guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm playing at Driverwood Airsoft. After hearing many good reviews about the site, I knew it was time for me and the lads to go and try it out. For the first section here, I'm using a Polarstar Fusion 2 engine. Our objective is to take out as many of the enemy team as possible to try and push them back towards their respawn. Enjoy. The second half of this video was on their main Airsoft map, which had some amazing places to use as cover. A double-decker bus, 2 helicopters and multiple military vehicles. As the game started, I knew it would be best to get to that bus as soon as I could, so I could use my M4 to attempt to take out the players on the road ahead. two guys on the left side of the barricade. Didn't even know. Hold on, I got one on the end of my scope. Oh, I'm going to be playing with this dude the whole time. Yep, got him, there you go. Yeah, got him, mate. Cheers, mate. I got eyes on another one by the taxi, left side. No, I was moving down the stairs so he could get out. I did get hit then though, fair. Right on the forehead. Oh. Thank you all for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Just want to say a big thank you to all the marshals who made the game day run so smoothly. If you would like to know where I got my gear from, please head to Titan Forge Airsoft. There will be a link in the description below. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.